Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye, student of the Britsang Institute in a batch of 17th of a pharma. Today I will tell you about the climate changes. The various type of the climate changes in common uses of climate changes describes global warming, the ongoing increase in a global average temperature and its effects on earth climate system. The climate change in broader sense also include previous long terms change to earth changes to earth climate. The current rise in global average temperature is more rapid than previous changes, and it's primarily caused by humans burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels used in deforestations and some agriculture and industrial practices added to greenhouse gases. Then Notably carbon dioxide and methanes. The mm, the greenhouse gases absorb some of the heat than the earth radiates after in a warm form sunlight. Then a larger amount of these gases trap more heat in earth's lower atmospheres, causing global warming. Then climate changes has an increasing impact on the environment. Desert and expanding, while heat waves and wildfires are becoming more common. Then amplified warming uh, in the Arctic has contributed to uh, thawing created of glaciers and sea ice declines. Then a higher temperature are also causing more intense storms, and other weather extremes. Then rapid environment change in mountains, then is forcing many species to relocate or become extinct. Even if efforts to minimize future warming are successful, some effects then will continue for centuries. uh, this include ocean heating, then ocean acidification and sea level rise. Then climate change threatens people with increased flooding, then extreme heat, then increased food and water scarcity, then more diseases, and economic loss. Then human migration and can also be a result. The World Health Organization calls climate change the greatest threat to global health in the 21st century. Then scientists and ecosystem will experience more serve risk without action to limit warming. Then adapting to climate change, then through efforts like food control measures or drought resistant crops. Then partially reduced climate changes risk. Then all through some limits to adoptions have already been reached. Then community and responsible for a small share for global emissions. Then it have the least ability to adapt, and are most valuable to climate change